Hello guys, hope you are fine and well. So recently I faced a problem with my hotspot. It's not showing here, not even with this icon. I can't turn it on, it's grayed out. So if you guys face a similar issue, so simply you guys want to do is go to your mobile data network, and all the way down you find personal hotspot setting. You need to it's fill it up. In APN you can put internet. In username you can put your carrier name. Mine is Jazz, and the password and any password. Done. Now see, here's my personal hotspot is showing now, and with this icon I can use it. So here's the solution. Thank you. My cell phone with this another iPhone. So first one is mine, so let's check it's working or not. Voila, it's working fine now. Another side, it's perfectly working fine.